KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. The weekend, though, will be marred by scattered showers and thunderstorms returning to the area, but at least it won't be quite so hot, and that is the good news. So as we move ahead, count on those daily dousings, and they're going to continue as we go into next week as well. So let's take a look at the radar satellite composite. In fact, we'll look at the enhanced satellite imagery. You can see all the moisture well offshore, but this is going to be slowly moving back inland. Some of this moisture is going to be pushing off to the north and east, but locally at least a break from the showers and thunderstorms during the day today. But we do have actually a few showers on the radar late this evening, and mainly along the coastal parishes from coastal St. Mary to around the Sippermore Point through Vermilion Bay. Some cloud to ground lightning here, not a whole lot, but this shower activity is moving westward. It's also a signal that the deep tropical moisture is not too far away, and with tomorrow's winds trying to come around out of the south, at least at mid levels, that argues for a pretty good chance of showers and storms. A couple of other isolated showers showing up on Doppler this evening, mainly moving through through Allen Parish up through Vernon Parish. This activity, though, not a whole lot, but there are a few spotty showers inland. Most of us stay quiet tonight, as most of the showers and storms stay south of this frontal boundary. That's going to be drifting northward with time, so we'll be watching that and that moisture coming back. Now, the rest of the tropics relatively quiet. We do have a couple of tropical waves, one in the northwest Caribbean, one northeast of the Leeward Islands, one east of the Windward Islands, and another one coming off the African coast. But none of these waves are threatening right now, but we do see tropical moisture moving toward the Gulf of Mexico into next week, and we'll show you that in just a bit. First off, though, still plenty of African dust across the area. You see that across portions of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, this is not going to limit the rain chances inland, but it will limit some of the rain chances offshore. More African dust coming off the coast and moving westward across the Atlantic over the next week to 10 days. But in between where you don't see a whole lot of dust, that's where there's going to be a higher risk of tropical moisture, and that's what we see on the European model. We see that frontal boundary moving northward, and that's going to enhance our rain chances for tomorrow and Sunday as well. And moisture sticks around over the next several days. Then we'll draw your attention to a tropical wave, maybe a tropical wave, or at least an increase in moisture that's going to be moving out of the northwest Caribbean and moving into the Gulf of Mexico as we go into mid-late next week. And the models have been on this over the last several days, including the GFS model, but not expecting any tropical development per se. That is a possibility, but that tropical moisture moving northward as we go toward the end of next week and into the following weekend, and I've raised the rain chances accordingly for that, although this is still 8 to 10 days away, so we'll have to wait and see. But overall, relatively quiet in the tropics for now, but that could change later next week, and certainly as we get into September and October. Overnight tonight should be quiet after a few showers along the coast. Then tomorrow we see those scattered showers and thunderstorms moving inland, especially a late morning, early afternoon. A pretty good scattering of activity, so at least a 50 to 60% chance of showers and storms tomorrow. And we'll probably do it again also on Sunday. In fact, as we look at the 3-kilometer NAM model, also showing much the same. Quiet overnight tonight, scattered showers and thunder showers during the afternoon, early evening hours tomorrow. Then it quiets down early tomorrow evening, but maybe a few renegade showers or thunder showers tomorrow night, and a pretty good scattering of showers and storms as we head into Sunday and Sunday evening. So keep the umbrella handy is the bottom line, and be prepared for the daily dousings. They will be out there for sure. Temperatures tonight in the mid-70s to upper 70s for your low. Tomorrow we'll get close to 90. At heat index, not quite as high, so we won't see a heat advisory for tomorrow. Heat indices today were as high as 105 to 110. We won't be that hot tomorrow. Tomorrow night in the mid to upper 70s, and as we head into your Sunday, upper 80s to near 90, with a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms staying in the forecast. So a sultry summer night ahead, a few coastal showers. We'll keep rain chance at 20% there. A near full sturgeon moon, about 95% full out there. 76 your low. Tomorrow we'll get up to about 90 for a high. Partly sunny early in the day, but scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon, and a pretty healthy rain chance above normal for this time of year at 50 to 60%. And that's where we stay planted over the next 7 days. In fact, daytime highs limited closer to 90, with rain chances at or above normal through the rest of the week and possibly into next weekend as well. So after a relatively dry and hot day today, it's back on the thunderstorm horse for tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You just read it and weep. Unfortunately, rain chances with us, but at least that'll keep temperatures down just a bit. Instead of mid-90s, lower 90s at best.
I noticed you used the word sultry in a graphic. So
yeah,
that's sort of August.
Sultry August.
Sums it up, right?
All the time.
All right. Thanks, Rob.